YouTube was good, YouTube, and my hair all fucked up. So one thing I like to do, get an incense. Take a banana. Hell no, this shit is cold. Every time I'm like depleted, with like work and just the normal shit, I come here and I use the magic of of nature, and I recharge myself. So this banana's for nature, like for the fairies, like an offering. And I got a frankincense incense. Just power up the spirit. And every time I come here and I do that tree pose, while my feet is planted in the water, in the current of the water, because the current is electricity. Like, notice how that water's flowing. That water's flowing with the current and the energies of nature. So I like to connect myself with that, with the tree pose, yoga pose. And I instantly power up my vessel. It's instant. So tonight, them dreams is gonna be hitting. Them dreams are gonna be powerful tonight. I'll be able to see clear. I'll be able to retain my dream. And I'll be able to possibly astral project. Just power it up. And this doesn't only power up your dream state, it powers all your chakras. So, hold on, Papa, I'm coming. So yeah, and I've been collecting acorns. Acorns, right? So acorns, Zeus is, you could channel the energy of Zeus through the oak tree, because that's his tree. And what else I was gonna say? And yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say, but yeah, that's pretty much what I kind of do. When I'm depleted, I come out here and just charge.
Babe, can you explain the benefits of those chakra resins?
Um, okay, first, the reason I use these things is because if you check the Bible and you read the story when Christ was born, the Star of Bethlehem, the three wise men, they were Indian, one was Indian, one was Arab, and one was Persian. So they came and they bring the man child that was born, Christ, the Star of Bethlehem. They bring him frankincense and myrrh and gold. So if you look at the times we're in, where everybody's awakening, that Christ consciousness is awakening. So you got to bring the man child, the Christ consciousness, frankincense, and myrrh. But the good thing about it is that it's so multi-dimensional and it's so deep that you could target your individual chakra, because we are attached to the Christ consciousness. You could target them individually, and you can use it to accomplish goals, to do whatever is attached with that chakra. That's what you can achieve. So this one is attached with your sensuality and your creativity. So I like to draw. I like to be creative. And whenever I'm about to draw, I light one up just to get that energy flowing, that orange, that chakra, that color flowing. So if I wanna be more concentrated and I wanna be more intuitive, you can go for your third eye. But like that one. And
Can I see it again? It's kind of blurry. All right, got it.
And if you want to be enlightened and hit the crown, you could take that the crown one. And notice how the colors, everything is attached to a color. Colors are vibration, frequencies. So that's why I use it. Peace.
Thank you.